Okay, students, so do you remember the cardiovascular system? I taught you, no? The previous class. Do you remember? Do you remember or not? Or else you forgot? Say something. Do you remember the cardiovascular system?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you remember, then Yamang. Am I audible, Yamang?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me? Wait, I'll show you the. Okay. Can you see the screen, Yamang? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So can you tell me the circulatory system? You? Birgeshri? Birgeshri? Will you be able, Birgeshri?
Yes, ma'am.
Please start. Can you please speak a bit louder? Birgeshri, you start.
The superior vena cava is the when that gas deoxygenated blood.
Superior vena cava and where? I mentioned two, na? So superior vena cava and
Inferior vena.
inferior vena cava. Okay. Okay. So what type of blood will enter? Oxygenated, deoxygenated.
Deoxygenated blood.
Okay. It will go and enter where?
Heart. The heart.
Okay. Heart. Which side? The heart is divided into how many chambers?
Four.
Four. Okay. So in which chamber will it enter? From the picture itself, you just say. From the picture itself.
Right atrium.
Yes. What did you say?
Right atrium.
Okay. Right atrium. Then after that.
Right ventricle.
Okay. But before entering the right ventricle, uh, it will enter directly or it will go through something. It
No,
will
ma'am.
directly.
No, ma'am.
So how will it pass? How will it pass? How will it pass? Through what? Dirgishri? Through what? See the diagram and say. I have mentioned valve, right? So what is the name of that valve? Huh?
Pulmonary.
No. Pulmonary is different. Pulmonary, it will come here. So what is this? What is the name of this valve?
Valve.
Tricuspid valve. It's not it.
Yes, ma'am.
So after that, it will enter in the right ventricle. Okay, after that, where will it go?
Left atrium. Left ventricle.
Directly.
No, ma'am. Pulmonary artery.
Pulmonary artery, okay. But before entering the pulmonary artery, it will cross one valve, no? So what is the name of that valve?
Mitral valve.
What? Mitral valve. No, it's not mitral valve. It's not mitral valve. What is the name of this valve? Asim, will you be able to say?
Pulmonary valve.
Pulmonary valve. Okay, when the pulmonary valve will open, it will enter which artery?
Both sides, ma'am.
Which both side? What is the name of the artery? What is the name of that artery which will enter in both sides? It is the left and the right.
Left and right.
Yes, I know left and right. So what is the name? Suppose, say for example, I'm saying, I'm doing something. I'm walking in my left and right. If I say like that, so I need to mention something now, whether it's my leg or whether it's my hands. It's not it. So which left and right? What is the name of that artery?
Left pulmonary.
Pulmonary artery. It's not it. So pulmonary artery, it is divided into two parts, the left and the right. Okay, after that, what will happen? Bubbly. Bubbly, what will happen? What will happen? Say. The deoxygenated blood, now it's entering towards the lungs. The right and the left pulmonary artery. Now, since it is divided into two parts, so it enters the lungs. So what will happen now? What will happen? It's in the diagram itself, it's not it?
Don't know, ma'am.
Don't know. Dibajit Debarma. Dibajit Debarma. Deepjyoti Deka. Deepjyoti, what happened? Am I not audible to you all? Okay then, Carly, you say.
Me, ma'am.
Yes, you.
Here, deoxygenated blood from all over the body enters the heart enters the right atrium through superior and inferior vena cava. Then it passes through the tricuspid valve and enters the right ventricle. From there, it passes through pulmonary valve and enters the pulmonary arteries, which then divides into two parts, and the deoxygenated blood goes to the lungs. It gets filters and comes back to the left atrium from both sides, and then passes through mitral valve and enters the left
Carly,
ventricle.
hello.
Yes, ma'am.
You said no, it filters, so it will become what kind of blood?
Oxygenated blood, ma'am.
Okay. You say the
Then,
oxygenated blood will enter. You say like that.
okay, ma'am. The oxygenated blood from the lungs comes inside the left atrium from both sides, and then it passes through mitral valve and enters the left ventricle. It again passes through the aortic valve and goes to the aorta, and from there, the oxygenated blood is delivered to all over the body.
And it keeps on circulating. It's not it constantly.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How many times does it beat?
I think 60 to 100
60 to 100. Tell me the unit.
beat, ma'am.
Tell me the unit means. Can you say this?
Ma'am, 60 to 100 beats per minute.
Okay, it beats the normal heartbeat. Na? It's 60 to 100 beats per minute. The range is between 60 to 100. Okay. What does D means? Deoxygenated. What does it mean?
It means lack of oxygen, ma'am.
Or else no, absence of oxygen. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Others, what happened? Others, same thing I explained to you all. It's not that I have explained to some students specially or else, yeah, very special. It's not like that. I have explained the same thing to all of you. Why can't you answer? Huh? Pallab, will you be able? Pallab De Burma, will you be able?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you be able? Okay, you start then. Say. Pallab, you start. What happened? Parmita, will you be able? Parmita De Burma.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, you start.
Uh, the deoxygenated blood will flow from superior vena cava and inferior vena cava, and it will go to right atrium, and it will flow from tricuspid valve, and it will go again at right ventricle, and it will flow from pulmonary valve to pulmonary artery, and it will flow to the lungs, and it will get filtered and
It will become
oxygenated blood, and it will flow. It will go inside through pulmonary vein from the lungs from both sides to left atrium to mitral valve. After that, left ventricle to aortic valve to aorta, and it will flow to the body, the oxygenated blood.
Okay, it will keep on going. It's not like circulation.
Yes,
It will be
ma'am.
constant. Okay, very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Shilin, will you be able? Shilin? Shilin, am I audible to you? Shilin. Suraksha? Suraksha? What happened? Am I really not audible, or you all are just like pretending
Audible, ma'am.
audible, na?
You're audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Manisha, that day also I asked you, na, will you be able today now?
Yes, ma'am.
Just give a try. If you are not able, I'll help.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, start.
The superior vena cava is the superior vena cava, and the inferior vena cava is the vein that gets the oxygenated blood from the body and returns into the heart. From the superior and inferior vena cava, blood goes through the right atrium. Then blood enters the right ventricle.
What kind of blood? What kind?
Deoxygenated.
Okay, it
Deo-
enters. Okay.
Oxygenated blood. Blood goes through the tricuspid vein as it enters the right ventricle. And then right ventricle goes to the pulmonary vein. Then the right and left pulmonary arteries carries the blood away from the heart to the lungs. Both sides of the lungs.
It will be before it was deoxygenated. Now
Oxygenated blood.
when it will go into the lungs.
Oxygenated blood leaves the lungs and returns to the heart through the pulmonary veins and enters the left atrium.
Continue.
From left ventricle through the aortic vein, blood flows in one direction back into the aorta. The left atrium pumps the left ventricle.
It will enter which valve? From the left atrium, no? It will enter to the left ventricle. This one.
Through the mitral valve. Through mitral valve, it will enter to aortic valve.
So that. So that over. Manisha?
I'm not able to.
Can you see the screen? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
So you were saying till here, that is from the left atrium, that is the oxygenated blood, it will enter here, that is the left atrium, and it will enter through this what? Mitral valve, not it?
Mitral valve.
So it will enter here, that is in the left ventricle.
Left ventricle.
So after that it will go here. So what is the name of
Aortic valve.
aortic valve? After entering
Aortic
the
valve.
okay, after entering the aortic valve, it will go where?
Oxygenated blood.
It will go where? Where? Obviously, it need to go through something. Yeah. What is this? AO. What is this?
Aorta.
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 After that, the oxygenated blood, it will supply to all the different parts of the body. Not it. Wherever it is whatever it is necessary, it will go and supply. And this will keep going on constantly. Constantly means what? Constantly, you know the meaning of constantly, isn't it? Like it will go on and on and on. That.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you understand now, Manisha? Any doubts?
Yes, ma'am, I understand now.
Okay, very good then. Okay, Mayborn. Mayborn. Mayborn, am I audible? Hello. Mayborn. Misha Modi.
Ma'am.
Okay, will you be able, Misha? क्या तुम बोल पाओगे? कोशिश करो. हाँ, कोशिश करो. अगर नहीं आने से मैं तुम्हारा मदद करूंगी. ठीक है? एक बार कोशिश करो.
The right atrium receives blood from the vein and pump it to the right ventricle. And
wait, please repeat again.
the right atrium receives blood from the vein and pump it to the right ventricle. The right ventricle receives blood from the right atrium and pump it to the lung, where it is loaded with oxygen.
Wait, Misha. Wait, Misha. First, what will happen from the upper part? From the upper part of your body, ना, there is a superior. Superior का मतलब है ऊपर. Inferior मतलब नीचे. ठीक है? तो ये deoxygenated blood क्या होगा यहाँ पे? Deoxygenated blood inferior vena cava मतलब हम लोग का शरीर के नीचे तरफ से deoxygenated blood आएगा इस तरफ. ठीक है? और ऊपर की तरफ से मतलब superior vena cava ना इसकी तरफ से deoxygenated blood मतलब दोनों तरफ से आएगा, ऊपर और नीचे. ठीक है? तो कहाँ पे चला जाएगा? ये राइट एट्रियम. ठीक है मीशा? समझ में आया? अच्छा. तो ये डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड यहाँ पे आ जाएगा इस तरफ. तो इसको पार करना पड़ेगा. क्या है इसका नाम? राइट वेंट्रिकल. लेकिन ये पार होने के लिए उसको मतलब एक दरवाजा का जैसा है, पैसेज. उसको पैसेज बोलते हैं. ठीक है? तो ये पार करना पड़ेगा. तो वो उसका नाम क्या है? उसका नाम है ट्राइकैस्पिड वाल्व. तो ये ट्राइकैस्पिड वाल्व जब खुलेगा इसके अंदर चला जाएगा. ठीक है? उसको बोलते हैं राइट वेंट्रिकल. समझ में आया यहाँ तक?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा. तो ये फिर से ऊपर चला जाएगा. ठीक है? तो ये ऊपर की तरफ जाने के लिए फिर से मतलब उसको रास्ता पार करना पड़ेगा. तो उसका नाम क्या है? पल्मोनरी वाल्व. ठीक है? पल्मोनरी वाल्व बोलते हैं उसको. तो ये जब पल्मोनरी वाल्व खुलेगा तो इसके तरफ चला जाएगा. PA का मतलब है पल्मोनरी आर्टरी. तो ये पल्मोनरी आर्टरी दाएं और बाएं से मतलब डिवाइडेड है, लेफ्ट और राइट. लेफ्ट एंड राइट पल्मोनरी आर्टरी. तो ये लेफ्ट और राइट पल्मोनरी आर्टरी तुम्हारा हार्ट के मतलब तुम्हारा लंग्स है तो उसके बीच में हार्ट है. तो उसकी वजह से क्या होगा? तुम्हारा सिंस the pulmonary artery is divided into two parts. क्या होगा? राइट और लेफ्ट. तो ये पल्मोनरी आर्टरी हम लोग के लंग्स के अंदर चला जाएगा. याद रखना डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड था. तो ये लंग्स के अंदर जब चला जाएगा वो ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड बन जाएगा. ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड मतलब रिच इन ऑक्सीजन. डीऑक्सीजनेटेड मतलब एब्सेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. ठीक है? तो ये फिर से हार्ट के अंदर आ जाएगा। तो ये कैसे आएगा? पल्मोनरी वेन्स के द्वारा ये फिर से ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड आ जाएगा हार्ट की तरफ। तो कहाँ पे आएगा? फर्स्टली लेफ्ट एट्रियम। ठीक है निशा?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, लेफ्ट एट्रियम के तरफ आ जाएगा। तो फिर से इसको रास्ता पार करना पड़ेगा, तो उसको बोलते हैं मिट्रल वाल्व। मिट्रल वाल्व जब खुलेगा नीचे आ जाएगा, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल। ठीक है, तो ये लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल जब आ जाएगा फिर से उसको ऊपर जाना पड़ेगा, तो फिर से उसको रास्ता पार करना पड़ेगा। तो उसका नाम क्या है? एओर्टिक वाल्व। इसको बोलते हैं एओर्टिक वाल्व। तो ये जब एओर्टिक वाल्व खुलेगा, एओर्टा, एओ का मतलब है एओर्टा, एओर्टा के एओर्टा के ऊपर चला जाएगा, मतलब एओर्टा पे ही चला जाएगा। वो है ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड। तो एओर्टा जब चला जाएगा क्या होगा? सभी मतलब हम लोग का शरीर का अनेक अनेक अंग में चला जाएगा। ठीक है, पूरा शरीर के अंदर जहाँ पे जरूरत है वहां पे चला जाएगा। समझ में आया? और ये
Yes,
जो
ma'am.
सर्कुलेशन ऑफ हार्ट है ना, सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम,
Mm.
वो लगातार मतलब काम करेगा। ठीक है, लगातार काम करेगा। ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब थक गया तो मतलब रेस्ट करेगा, ऐसा नहीं है। मतलब लगातार ये मतलब काम करेगा। इसलिए तो उसको बोलते हैं सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम। ठीक है, मतलब सब जगह की तरफ चला जाता है ना हमारे शरीर के अनेक अनेक अंग पे, तो इसलिए उसको बोलते हैं सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम। ठीक है, समझ में आया सबको? डिड यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंड? इफ आई
Yes,
आस्क
ma'am.
यू विल यू?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, तो अगर मैं कहीं दिन पूछने से तुम्हें मतलब तुम जवाब दे पाओगे निशा? निशा,
Ma'am.
बता पाओगे ना?
Mm.
या 50-50? हाँ, 50-50?
Ma'am, थोड़ा देख लूंगा.
थोड़ा देख लेगा। अच्छा, आंसर
बता
आंसर डायग्राम पे ही है। मतलब ये जो एरो है ना, अच्छी तरह से देखो। ये डायग्राम पे ऑलरेडी जवाब है, इसका जवाब ऑलरेडी है। मतलब तुम फॉलो करते रहना। मतलब यहाँ से ऐसे दिखाई दे रहा ना एरो, मैंने यहाँ पे मैंने मतलब इसके अंदर ही है, दिखाई दे रहा है निशा?
Ma'am.
हाँ, ये जो इस ये दोनों दो एरो है, मतलब सुपीरियर से आ रहा है और एक इंफीरियर से एरो आ रहा है, तो इस तरफ चला जा रहा है। ठीक है, पल्मोनरी आर्टरी। तो फिर से ये दोनों तरफ से ये एरो जा रहा है, तो फिर से मतलब लंग्स के तरफ जा रहा है। तो लंग्स से जब आएगा तो दोनों तरफ से आएगा, यानी कि पल्मोनरी वेन्स। तो ये ऐसे होगा, तो ये खुलेगा, यानी कि मिट्रल वाल्व जब खुलेगा तो ऐसे आ जाएगा, यानी कि लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल ना। तो ये जब खुलेगा, एओर्टिक वाल्व बोलते हैं उसको। तो ये जब खुलेगा एओर्टा के तरफ चला जाएगा, और जब एओर्टा के तरफ चला जाएगा हम लोग का शरीर के अनेक अनेक अंग पे चला जाएगा, यानी कि ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड उसको सप्लाई करेगा। ओके, डिड यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंड? आई होप you all understand by now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is the size of the heart? Yamang. What is the size? What is the size? I mean, it's very easy. That the only I've said. Me. Will you be able to answer me?
Ma'am,
What is the size of the heart?
the size of the heart is the ulnar fist.
Honor's fist. Okay, very good. Okay. Can you turn on your video and show me your fist then? Just show me your fist and you can turn off your video, no problem. Show me. Your network is too poor. Okay, whose network is good? Who will be able to show me the fist? Huh? Whose network is good? Shota, is your network good?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you show me your fist? Just show me and you can turn off, no problem. I can't see you.
Yes,
Wait, no. I can't see you.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Show me, I can see now. Show me your fist. What happened? Again, it's off.
Yes, ma'am.
Just show me. What is that? You are showing me the pancreas. I'm asking you to show the fist.
No.
Okay, who will be able to show that? Dipjyoti, will you be able to show? Dipjyoti,
Yes, ma'am.
please show me your fist. Turn on your video and show me your fist. Soon, quick. What happened? Just showing me your fist also is taking so much time.
Yes, ma'am.
Kyoda, show me.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is your fist? Just hold your hands like this and show me what's that. Do like this. This is your fist. It's not it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, that is the size of your heart. Okay, it will be equal to the size of your fist. That's all for today's class. Thank you, everyone.